Taam Jam in my hand, yeah, है ना?
Would you just
Yeah.
Shivani, first of all, what you would like to say of Gitanjali Wow Awards?
This is the second time I'm attending it. The first year, last year when I was performing in it, it was great fun because I was actually stuck backstage. I didn't really see the excitement which is happening, in the front of the scenes and all the awards. I've been attending and I've been a part of many Bollywood award nights and music award nights where, it's been very music and films specific, entertainment per se specific, especially from the electronic media and the cine perspective. But today we're actually celebrating Wow Awards, which is so much from the industry that I hail from. I'm a live performer. I just completely love performing live, and I think people who actually organize these events, all these event companies who organize these events, they really need to be saluted because there's so much of pain, stress, so much of hard work which goes behind it, and we need to salute them and give them accolades and felicitate them. So this is a perfect evening for somebody like me. Tonight I'm here to sit back, relax, and really enjoy the fun. Last year I was backstage, so I was really a part of the stress. But this year I'm going to actually watch and applaud, literally.
Is there any reason you're not participating and this time you're being an audience, you're going to enjoy this first show?
I guess you can't repeat the performer the second time around, but I'm sure I will. And the magazine has my ad in it, so I'm very thrilled actually. The magazine which has been Entertainers Connect, which has been launched today. Yeah.
We would like to know the projects you are being, for the movies, like since you said that Bhindi Bazaar is the one.
Bhindi Bazaar I'm really excited about because for the very first time you have a pop star singer's sister who's coming in as an item performer in this song, and she's really hot and she's danced really beautifully. The film is really amazing. It's to look out for, and I have sung an item song like that for the very first time because my music has always been very soulful and very haunting and all of that. But this song, along with being soulful, is extremely sizzling and it's very dancey.
Could you just sing 2 lines for us?
तान के सीना हो जा कमीना, तान के सीना हो जा कमीना.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you so much.